चल हो जा शुरू।
केसरिया से मन जोगी हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे, दिल झूमे देखो पतवारा हुआ रे।
हर पल मनाओ केसरी त्योहार। विमल, बोलो जुबान केसरी।
Meanwhile, we're now bringing you another big breaking news. We're learning from our sources that the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha is going to be from the Congress party. That's the big breaking news that we're bringing you first on Republic, viewers. The Congress is going to field the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. Remember, the Congress secured 99 seats, improved its show from the previous general election when it secured 52 and took its tally up to 99 in the 2024 Lok Sabha elections. It is the second largest party in the number of seats it's secured, and we're learning that the Bharat Jodo Yatra really worked out for the Congress party, and it is now likely to field the leader of opposition in the Lok Sabha. Now, joining us live on the story is my colleague Harsha. Harsha, very good morning to you. Tell us more details about this development, about the Congress fielding Lok Sabha opposition leader, and who really is this person going to be now, because Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary, who earlier held this position, has not even been elected an MP this time. He's been defeated by Yusuf Pathan.
Rightly pointed out. So see, what we have known till far is that yesterday the meeting of the India Alliance, which took place at the residence of Mallikarjun Kharge. In that meeting, it was decided on the several issues. The strategy was talked out, and among the Congress leaders, it was also discussed that who will be the leader of opposition. Finally, it has been decided that the leader of opposition will be from Congress. In the Lok Sabha earlier, Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary was the leader of opposition, but this time Adhir Ranjan Chaudhary is defeated with a margin of almost 2 lakh votes by Yusuf Pathan of the TMC. So the names now will be finalized by the Congress party, who are those leaders who are eligible to be the leader of opposition. When I talk about eligibility, I precisely mean how many times the leader has won, who is the capable leader who will take up the issue of the opposition parties in Lok Sabha, who would have that length and breadth in the constituency, and who could take the entire opposition together unanimously and with entire unity. And that is the reason why a meeting of the Congress leaders will take place soon, and there are several names which are now coming out. We have got to know that the leaders like Gaurav Gogai and Shashi Tharoor are the leaders who have also been discussed, that they could be made the leader of opposition. Right now, like them, there are several other leaders who have won from the Congress party, and that is the reason why a meeting will take place with the senior leaders, and finally a strategy will be chalked out that who is the worst candidate, worst leader, a worst member of parliament to become the leader of opposition of Congress. Let's wait and watch exactly when it will happen, but that's decided. The leader of opposition will be from Congress. Back to you.
Well, thanks for giving us those details, Harsha. Very interesting developments, and any scoop or insight from you will be very valuable to us right now. Meanwhile, viewers, it's time for a very quick break on this bulletin. We're tracking big news and stories after the results were announced. Today, Yogi Adityanath is to head to the national capital. He's set to meet BJP President JP Nadda. And after Devendra Fadnavis offered to quit after NDA's poll debacle in Maharashtra, Shinde says he will try to talk to him and change his mind. Stay tuned.